Hey, what's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today I am going to show you how I am creating YouTube Shorts in 2024 in record time. Right now I'm on a website called Kapwing. It's a rather ridiculous name, but this thing works great. Get yourself an account and sign in. Okay, now that I've signed in, you'll see that I have a couple folders that I've already created. You can create a couple folders for yourself, so I keep things separate. I'm going to go to my Shorts page and I'm going to go to Create New. You'll see a couple of different options right here. These are just sizes. The 1-to-1 would be for Instagram. This would be for a regular YouTube video. You can actually see it as I'm hovering over it. But what I want to do is I want to create a YouTube short, which this one would be that format right there, which also goes to TikTok. But today I want to go ahead and show you how quickly you can create a YouTube short in seconds, literally. So right now I'm going to choose create a video about, and you'll see right there that you can actually type this in. I'm going to type in a little video topic here, and once I'm done, I'll get back to the video and show you the different options that are shown right here. Okay, so I have typed in some information about rabbit show jumping, which is a Swedish sport called cannonhoppning. I hope I'm saying it right, but just grab some interesting information that I'm going to create for my second channel. You can see that you have this on Create Video, you are limited to 1,000 characters. If I switched it to Script a Video, this is going to be a much longer allowance right here. This is giving you 5,000 characters. So Create Video is what you want for a short type video. And I'm going to choose the format size right here at 916. My language is going to be English. The narration voice, you can hear it by pressing the play button.
Automatically turn your text into speech with...
I prefer this one.
Automatically turn your text into speech with an AI-generated voice.
So if you press this, you'll hear it. If you actually choose the name, you'll select it. So I've selected Matilda for my voice. I want these subtitles right here. There are other subtitles if you scroll to the right. So that will be how it's shown on your screen. These are the approximate duration. This is AI, so sometimes if you don't have a whole lot of information and you choose 30 seconds, your video may come out to be less than 30 seconds. Also, YouTube Shorts is a maximum of 1 minute. I'll put it at 1 minute and we'll see how much of a video it created with this information that I dropped in here. And once you choose all that, you just hit Generate Video and we'll let this render and I'll get back to you in just a minute. Okay, so right now I have a video that is the length of, you can see right here, it is 27 seconds long. So even though I wanted a 60-second video, it wasn't enough information to create a 60-second video, which is alright. That's fine by me. You can extend it if you wanted to. I'm just going to keep it the way it is. So right here, you'll see this first top line is going to be your subtitles. And I can change my subtitles by selecting it like that, and then I'm going to go ahead and increase the size to 64. This line right here is going to be your voiceover. This line right here is going to be your automatically generated background music, and then this line down here is going to be your various clips that the AI chose. And obviously AI isn't perfect, so this is just a jumping off point that I use that I can actually change. Let's just real quick show you what AI came up with.
Rabbit show jumping, also called rabbit agility.
Okay, so that is just a real short sample of what it's like. Obviously the video clips themselves are not correct, so I'm going to go ahead and change that. The way you can change that is I can actually click the video clip down here, delete it, and I'm going to the left side and I'm going to choose videos, rabbits, and you'll see that they're royalty free. I don't necessarily have to choose any of this. I'm just going to type rabbits and let it search whatever it wants. Okay, so here are some rabbits, and hopefully I'll find some clips about rabbits jumping. Even if I don't find it, I'll just find some clips, show you how I'm actually switching them out. I'll click it and you'll see that it was added on the line down below. and then I can get to the end of it here and I can just shorten it up and slide it right here. So you can see that I just went ahead and replaced it just like that. I can do the same thing for this one right here. Click that, change it out. You'll notice that this is not fitting the entire vertical screen. That's okay. Just grab the corner and drag it down, grab the corner, drag that up. There we go. And then if I wanted to add some branding, which I already have, I uploaded my media. So media, my media, it's already uploaded. So I'm just going to add this in just to show you how I do it. This is my watermark that I created from Canva. I highly recommend that you get a Canva account. You can use the free version, but I'm a pro user. So once you do that, I'm going to go ahead and click this right down here. I'm going to drag my watermark all the way across, and you'll see that it appears throughout the entire video. So that adds in my watermark, and let's say at the end I want to add a little short clip that shows the title of my second channel in its entirety. And I'm just going to do that. This is chosen. You can see that it's highlighted yellow. If I wanted to cut it in half, I'm going to come over here and I can split it, or I can just drag it just like this. It's up to you. You can drag it, click and drag, or you can click and split right here. So you'll see the split happens right there. So that's how you kind of change things around. Obviously this is not completed. I will go ahead and change out the other video clips and correct the sizing and make sure everything is correct, and then I will go ahead and export the project right up here. Once you hit the export, you're going to use MP4, which is generally for videos, and we want to use 1080p, which is a higher quality. Obviously the higher the quality, the longer it's going to take to render. I don't need to go 4K. This is just a YouTube video. I'm not looking to make like a Emmy award-winning film here, so I'll just do that, click that, and then it'll export, and then you just download. Let me know if you have any questions down below. Thanks a lot.